If you're like me and don't like to wait, then keep watching this video as I'll show you how you can get paid right now through the use of two different platforms you've never heard before. This is completely free. No social media following is required, no skills, no experience, and it does not matter where you are coming from. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. The site that we will be going over today in order to make us some money online is called squishycash.com. Now, as far as making money online sites go, this is one of the oldest ones out there, which is also why it looks so old-fashioned. You can see in the upper left corner that they've been around since 2007. This also shows us something else, which is that this website is not a scam. Otherwise, this site would have disappeared a long time ago. Right here, you can see that this website has over 200,000 members and has paid out nearly $350,000 to those members as well. Now, how will you be making money exactly? You can see just below. Get paid to fill out these free offers, take surveys, play games, sign up for free trials, and earn cashback for online shopping. So this site offers a huge variety of things you can do in order to get paid, which is of course awesome. The ones I wouldn't recommend though are the surveys. Many of you probably know by now that I don't particularly like them, but if you really want to earn some money, then you can go ahead and complete them. Anyhow, another way you can earn some money is through their referral system, which will pay you $1 per active referral and 25% of the money that those people that you referred made. If you don't have that much time on your hands, then referring someone can be a nice way to earn some cash and passive income. The best feature about this website, in my opinion, is simply the sheer amount of payment options they have available. You obviously have PayPal, but apart from that, they can pay you through various gift cards from the likes of Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and so on. They can also pay you through a Visa as well. This also shows us that this is available worldwide too, and I know that many of you wanted to hear that. Further down, you can see the payment proofs, which I recommend for you to check out if you perhaps have some doubts about this website. Testimonials are also located just below. In any case, to get started making money with this site, all you gotta do is enter your email address here and click on Join. And here's the best part about this, they will actually pay you $3 for doing so, which is awesome. It isn't a lot of money, of course, but signing up takes no effort from your side and very little time, so it's a great addition nonetheless. All in all, this is a fantastic site. It's been around for quite some time and has some very nice features. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. The second website is called rewardingways.com. And right off the bat, when you come on here, you will see that just like the previous site, this one has an array of payment options to offer you. Among them are PayPal, Skrill, and so on. Now, what you can actually do on this website in order to get paid is complete surveys. But don't worry, if you don't like them, they offer some other options. Surveys are the main method, and while I did say I don't prefer surveys, this site stands out from the crowd as far as surveys are concerned. As it says, it's the highest paying survey site out there that allows you to make money online, get paid today, be able to work from home, and last but not least, just like that previous site, it will pay you for just signing up. Now, by far the best thing about this website is the reviews. If you come over to Trustpilot.com, you will find that Rewarding Ways has a rating of 4.7 stars with nearly 700 reviews. So not only does this show you that this is a 100% legit website, but it also shows you that people love it a lot. As far as reviews are concerned, this is one of the best rated websites I've ever seen. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that 84% of people rated it as excellent and then just 10% as great. But in total, only 5% rated it as average, poor, and bad combined. So just think about that for a second. 94% of people like this website. This, as I said, shows that it's a legitimate platform. If you come back over to their homepage, you will be able to see how much money they've given out, and that is nearly $2 million. Here you can see that you complete online surveys, earn cash and gift cards. So they will pay you through gift cards as well if that's what you want. They also have an option for you to earn points through watching videos, taking part in paid trials, surveys, and offers. Those very same points you can redeem for gift cards as seen right here. Just below you have this demo and you can check out some extra information about this website. Near the bottom of the page, you can see the reviews, which are amazing, just like they were on Trustpilot with a 4.8 star rating and nearly 700 reviews. In any case, to get started on making money with this site, just click on Join Free right here. You will then be taken over to this page where you will enter in your first and last names, username, password, email address, physical address, city, and all that personal information. Lastly, you will enter one of the following depending on how you want to get paid: PayPal email, Skrill email, Payza email, and so on. With all of that done, you now just have to tick these boxes agreeing to their policy and terms. Click on I'm not a robot and click on register in order to create your brand new account and start making money on this website. With all of that said, I would recommend you use both of these sites I showed you because they are both 100% legit and good. If you don't like surveys, then Rewarding Ways may not be the site for you despite its great ratings. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.